Okay, I'm going to show you the easiest way to apply blush. This is pretty much a universal way to apply it regardless of your face shape. And this is very beginner friendly. So keep watching. The first thing you want to do is identify your cheekbones, right? So your cheekbones are not these, but under your bones. So you could do this rule with the thumb and go like this. Your thumb at the top of your ear like this, and that's your cheekbone. Or you can do my preferred method and just do like this. And this is your cheekbone. So we're gonna apply the blush right under here and we're gonna blend it up. One note of importance is that you don't want to take your blush down too far on your face. Like I have full cheeks. I want to do the 2-finger rule, and my blush is not going to come down my face any further than right here, right? So right here, and then here's your cheekbone, okay? So let's apply it. I have a pink blush here. I have a blush brush with the rounded dome tip. I'm just going to place my brush here. And blush is always good to start with a little and then build up. So let's start with a little and then just build it up. Then you want to build it up towards your hairline, and you can pat your blush on and then circle, or you can just swipe. And if you're looking at it from this angle, you can tell where the blush is, right? So I went ahead and finished applying it. And as you can see, even back here, you can see that I just have a flush of color. It's not too heavy. This is a nice muted pink. Pretty universal for my skin tone. If you have a darker skin tone, if you're my brown skin, beautiful brown chocolatey girls, I like something with a little bit of wine in it. Like, I lost it. But anyway, a wine colored blush is always great if you have darker skin tone. The rule of blush with the shades is that, or the rule of blush with the shades is that you have a pale skin tone, you want to have something like a soft blushy pink. If you have a little darker skin tone with some melanin in it like mine, this nice rosy color is always good. Every brown girl should have a coral blush or orange colored blush in their collection. You just should. It looks amazing on our skin. But this basic technique is pretty much the same for everybody, regardless of your face shape, because you don't want your blush to drag down. You want it to pull you up and give you a nice glow. Okay, so I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any further questions in the comments. If you have a special blush technique that you want to see or one that you actually use, and let me know what your favorite blush color is. And I don't want to hear that you don't wear blush, because you should be wearing blush. Okay, bye y'all.